Raphael. I bear the marks of exile in my name. When I become the silent Jew, who mourns not for the temple or Jerusalem, but a stream in the hills of En-Gedi. How dry the stream is there without my mouth, unseen the hawk who floats without my eye. They do not miss me there, as I miss me, resting my bones here in a foreign bed. Nor do they know my name is Roger there. They only know me by my secret name. The healing angel calls behind the wall I pass through in the dream of coming home.